We are starting off this edition with a question. Can a plant remember? Does it have memorizing abilities? This may sound more like a line from a poem than a scientific inquiry, but fresh analysis suggests that plants can pass on climate adaptation tips to their offsprings. From devastating floods to rising temperatures, the climate crisis is changing natural habitats all over the world. To survive, many plants have been forced to quickly adapt. This is according to new research published in the Trends in Plant Science journal. But how exactly do plants adapt to climate change and remember these adaptations? It has been well established that changes in the environment force animals to change. That alters their behavior, like hunting, hibernation patterns, habitats. But now you must be wondering, plants are rooted to a spot. How can they change? Well, they also bring a change in their behavior. Plants don't make memories in the same way that we human beings and other animals do, but they nonetheless remember. Rather than storing memories in the brains, of course, they store them in sophisticated cellular and molecular signaling networks. Researchers call this a somatic memory, which is stored in the plant's body. For example, winters have become warmer and shorter in many regions, and during the cold weather, plants orient their flowering time as well. So a plant can now remember to delay its flowering when it is warmer. And this mechanism allows plants to avoid flowering in periods where they have less chances to reproduce. And this new trait can be passed down to the offspring through something researchers call epigenetics. Unlike genetic changes, epigenetic changes do not change the DNA sequence. Instead, they can change how an organism reads a DNA sequence. And according to the authors of the research, epigenetic modifications are inherited, which contributes to the long-term adaptation of plant species due to climate change. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.